Hi everyone, so I'm reviewing this Bird's Eye Voila Fajita chicken. This stuff is so good. They used to make it in a small package, but I haven't seen that in over a year or so, maybe more. And I finally found the family size at Walmart and I bought it. It was like $9, I think. Here's one of the packets. It comes with two of these, but I split the pack in half. Last week I made half of the bag and now I'm making the other. This is what it looks like on the inside. Big chunks of chicken. My hands are clean. This stuff is so good. That's what it looks like. Let's do that. Y'all can pause it. I'm sure they sell it in other grocery stores. They have other types of meals, but fajita chicken for some reason is not easy to find. And when I found it, I grabbed a bag.